Jim?
What's that?
That should be your famous last word.
What's that?
In the truck somewhere.
Yeah. Somewhere in the truck.
I hate a post hole digger. I think this is the worst tool ever made.
That particular one is.
I like it.
This DeWalt. DeWalt makes a crappy post hole digger. Actually, I think this is one of the nicer ones that we've had.
I don't think so because they don't stay together. You got to put a lot of pressure to pull it together.
It's new, Jim. It ain't been worked.
Huh?
It ain't been worked.
This ain't the best of dirt to be digging a hole in, for one. But I hate this tool with a passion. I'd rather use a digging bar any day, every day.
Well, you just did
You ain't even to the rock yet. About 10 inches down and you hit solid rock.
Don't have gloves again, so if anyone wants to donate to Kevin having gloves, feel free to it.
All right, Jim. You hand it to me like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've dug a lot of holes in my life. That's what life is, digging holes. Or I feel more like my life has been trying to dig myself out of a hole. But you know what they say, digging holes builds character. Look at me now, world.
Look at him now, world.
Digging another hole. Kevin Lumna official.
How'd you like that, Jim? Is that good for you?
Yeah, but do them one at a time, and then I can be doing stuff instead of watching you cut.
Or watching me dig.
I'm watching him dig. Indeed.
From now on, I'll give you the bottom rail first.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what Henry Ford would say.
Tired.
Already?
Already.
Was that old girl wearing you out?
No. I went skating yesterday.
Well, you're going to have to start skating on weekends. During the week, you're needed.
I had fun yesterday. That was, they say,
Step your game up.
my game is elevated. DJ Climb.
We ain't talking DJ, we talking swinging hammer day. I mean, Young as you are, you should get off work here and go up there and set them trusses by yourself.
Here's the rock.
No, I don't care about digging through the rock. If it's rock, fine. Just pour concrete in there.